What's going on, guys? It's Bobby here. Welcome back to Credit Wednesday, where Wednesday we go over something about your credit. Today may be a little bit longer video, so save it for later. You'll want to see it. Now today we're talking about debts and good debts and bad debts. And what's the difference, right? Because you can be $200 million in debt and be so much better off than the person that's only $10,000 in debt. And here's how. So there's different kinds of debts, like I just said. There's good debt and bad debt. If you go rack up $20,000 on a credit card and you can't pay it back and you're paying monthly payments on it, and even if you're on time paying those monthly payments, that is considered bad debt. Now, if you go get $2 million of debt for a business loan or a real estate acquisition, that's a completely different kind of debt. Now, it's both debt, right? But one's bad because one's making and one's losing you money every month. So the good thing about credit is nobody's born with it. So it's not like somebody's born with bad credit, nobody's born with good credit. It's something you actually have to earn and work towards. So it's kind of like this cup right here, Stingrayalley cup. Everybody's born with no credit into it, but you start doing little things like get a small credit card, get a small loan, get a car, but one that you can afford, right? Start paying on it, so it starts adding a little bit of water into this cup every month. Every month you get a little bit of water, and eventually it's full of water. And then you're able to go out and get a big loan to help you go out and grow your own business. Buy a house, get a mortgage, buy an apartment complex. Maybe you can buy this Challenger over here, something that you can explore on. But on the way, you want to keep making sure that your credit, your water's full in the cup, because every single little bad remark takes out water. And it's very hard to get water in once you start taking it out. It's easy filling it up, but once it starts going out, it's kind of like a dry spell like in Texas. And it ain't raining, it's hard to collect the water. So you need to be very mindful about what you do on your credit. Whereas you don't want any delinquent accounts, you don't want any past due payments. You want to keep it good so that you can eventually get into a lot of debt. And like I said earlier, debt, a lot of people think debts are bad, where I need to pay this house cash, I need to buy that car cash. Debt is only to leverage your money so that you can use that money that you would have put in to the car or house to go make more money to pay for that said car or house. You understand? So, for example, say you come get this Challenger. We just got it. I think we're selling for 18 grand or so. You got $18,000 cash, right? Perfect. You give me 18 grand. Going down the road, you got a title to the car, you have no payments. But what if you went to a bank and they didn't charge you any money down, right? And you still got the car, your payments are affordable, but now you use that $18,000 that you would put on this car into an investment, whether it be a house, stocks, crypto, and you made 20% of your money. You made 50% of your money over the course of X amount of time. And then you can use that money to pay off this car. So that's the point of debt. So if you get $1 million, $2 million, $3 million, $100 million worth of debt, it is so much better than your $20,000 or $10,000 of credit card debt. Big difference between the two. And so you guys need to look into that. But the moral of all this is just pay your bills, all right? Start working your credit, get yourself educated. So you can go to these banks, you can go to these lending places and start to grow your own income, because that's the end of the goal, is to grow your own income. So you can provide for your family, provide for yourself, and more importantly, just have a good life, you know? And credit is not the end-all be-all, but credit is a good gateway to get you more money. So, hopefully that helped you out. I don't know how long this video was. Hopefully it made sense. But if you liked it, share it, comment, and let me know what else you guys want to hear. Y'all take care. Also, don't forget to go to our website and check out our new line of t-shirts. We got a Mustang just like this one posted, so if you like this car, you'll like that t-shirt. Y'all take care.